Hello, today I'm in BMW M8. In this video I'll show you how to manage digital key. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display. Go to car, enter settings, go to doors, vehicle access, go to digital key, and now you can activate main key. And this function authorizes a new compatible device as the main key for this vehicle. Simply insert the compatible device in the wireless charging tray right here and follow the instructions. Then you'll be able to use the device as the main key for your car. Next, you can activate key card, or reset this function. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.